In this video, you will learn about how to create the given 3D solid in Autodesk Fusion 360. While making a 3D solid, make sure the X direction given as a front view direction. So consider this arrow mark as a front view direction. Based on that, we are going to create this three-dimensional solid. Let's create the solid by using Autodesk Fusion. Click on Create Sketch and select the XZ plane. Now let's try to draw the profile. So select the line command. From the origin, let me start. So from here, the distance is 40. Then let's have some horizontal distance. Then a vertical line. Then a horizontal line, a vertical line, and it closed over here. Let's provide the dimensions for this. So change this value to 40. This value is given as 20. This value is given as 60. And this value is given as 20. Now let us try to extrude this profile. So extrude on one side. So you can flip the direction if you want. So the direction of extrusion is changed and I have changed the value as 60. You can extrude in any direction, so it won't be a problem. Give OK. Now click on Create Sketch and select the back face or the same plane what you have selected. Okay. So now let me select the face. So this particular face or the plane, both is on the same reference. So you can select the plane or this face. Now let's try to rotate it. So make sure your profile is like this. Now let's try to draw the second profile over here. So before drawing the profile, whichever edges is available, let's try to project that on the SketchUp plane. So go to Create, go to Project, select Project, and select the geometry. So this edge, and this edge, and give OK. So now profile is selected. Now let's try to create a line over here. Now let's try to provide the dimensions for this. So click on D to create dimension. Change this value as 20. This value as 20. Now remaining dimensions it will automatically fix based on the remaining constraints which is already available. So now let's finish the sketch. Now you're having over here. Now let's try to extrude this for the given distance. So the given distance of extrusion is 20. So let's select extrude and select this profile and change the direction to this side and give the value as 20. So it is 20. It is in the negative direction. So automatically the minus will come over here. So the current direction is in the negative direction. So minus 20 and operation is join. So let's give OK. Now we have completed the given 3D model in the Autodesk Fusion. Thanks for watching.